Hi everyone, it's Sandy Almasu here from the Biolog team. Today I'd like to present to you a 5-minute use case review that is focused on our Biolog Lab Services customers. We assist many different clients from various industries, but today I will focus on 3 examples of our top customers. So I'd like to start with one of our best customers. While I won't really disclose their name here, they are a large contract development and manufacturing company located in the US. They specialize in the sterile manufacturing of drugs for pharmaceutical companies. As many of us know, monitoring the environments where manufacturing is performed is a critical regulatory standard that needs to be carried out regularly. These environmental samples are captured from compounding services, technicians' clothing, and various specific locations within the workspace. This specific CDMO needed an ISO-accredited lab that could accurately identify bacterial, fungal, and yeast samples. They were looking for a trusted partner who could produce fast turnaround times, meet their customized report needs, and perform on-demand extra testing. So here at Biolog Lab Services, we provide all of these solutions this customers needs. Our standard turnaround time for microbial identifications is 3 business days, which is one of the best in the industry. And we provide this company with 2-day, next day, and even same-day results. We also carry out gram staining in parallel with each identification and customize reports to fit their record-keeping needs. On one recent occasion, when they required an emergency identification on very short notice, we were able to receive and identify a batch of samples on a Saturday. So we supplied them with a quick and accurate data that minimized their downtime. This story beautifully showcases how our adaptable service approach directly supports the demand of critical industries. Now, let's move to our next top customer example, which is a large contract testing lab. This testing lab offers a wide range of testing services, including microbiology release testing, HPLC, and particulate matter analysis, but they face 2 main difficulties. The first one, when a customer approaches them and requests multiple services, including one they don't offer. And the second, when a customer requests services they do offer, but they lack the staffing to handle large sample volumes quickly. What they really needed was a lab with accredited testing capabilities for microbial and fungal identification and the capacity to handle quick turnaround times. So this customer decided to partner with us here at Biolog Lab Services, and we were able to fill their testing gaps. It was really the perfect match. We now process hundreds of samples a week for them, and our assistant allows them to win more business and ensures their end user gets results within the required time, knowing they're really receiving validated data they really can count on. So here at Biolog, we go the extra mile for our customers. For this customer, per their specification, we either send our reports directly to their end user or send our analysis to their internal reporting team so they can supply our data as part of one completed report. So if you run a contract testing lab, you should know that Biolog Lab Services can serve as a part of your portfolio by filling service gaps or help with any capacity issues your team may be facing. Last customer I want to share with you is a Probiotic Manufacturer. This organization makes probiotics and nutritional supplements as well as microbial ingredients that are used in other products. So as a manufacturer, they need to maintain the microbial integrity of the products they produce, which makes environmental monitoring of their manufacturing spaces very critical. Also, the FDA strongly requires the labeling of probiotic products with proper colony-forming units, CFUs that show that the product has the probiotic activity and shelf life that their labels really claim. So like all manufacturing locations we work with, this customer loves that we quickly supply them with microbial ID calls that they use to maintain the sterility of their production spaces. We regularly verify the identity of their bacterial ingredients and perform enumeration total plate count services to confirm product concentrations for their finished probiotic products to ensure their labels are accurate. Also, we conduct several multi-year shelf life stability studies for this customer to help them ensure the longevity and efficacy of their products. On a recent occasion, this customer unfortunately identified a possible contaminant in their final product on a Friday morning. So we received our samples on a Saturday and struck them out with the hopes of getting colonies we could sequence as soon as possible. We were able to complete the sequencing and send the ID report by the end of day Tuesday, leaving the customer time to remedy the contaminant and complete their production. This is an example of how we showcase our dedication to provide timely support that helps our client maintain compliant operations. Here are all of Biolog's accreditations and registrations, too many for me to read out, but listed here for your reference. Thank you all for listening. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@biolog.com or visit our website at www.biolog.com.